Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
President ke NPP ubalong ru menteri rang ba ka jela Conrad ke sangma. Hakas ngi balang ulapan pau ba ke NPP kalong ka balakloi banya lang bat ka BJP ha Manipur Lada ka BJP ka Khot ngobha. Haka election ka badang shudep ha Manipur ka BJP kalayo jingjop ha kilai phau artli ke constituency nakin re phautali kat ba ke NPP kalayo hinyong ngut ki MLA. Nakalyang umentri rang ba ka Manipur UNB Rensing ulapan pau ba ka BJP kamtre ban Khot ya ke NPP bandon lang ha ka Sorkar. Henry ulap yang ngobha ya ka Naga People's Front kabadan sangut ki MLA banya lang ha ka Sorkar. Conrad ulaong ba ka NPP kaya lang bat ka BJP ha ka Sorkar pedeng kat ba ka Kyrshan ya ka Sorkar ha Arunachal Pradesh. Ulaong ba watla ka BJP kalabiang breu bantau Sorkar hi ha Manipur. Henry watla ka taru ka NPP kalong kabalakloi banya lang Lada ka Khot ngobha. Shushu ulaong baka jingaday ha pedeng ka NPP bat ka BJP ha Meghalaya kan omsyakta wat Lada ka NPP kan hapsyong ha kalyang persya ha Manipur.
See, the NPP has always followed a very simple principle that we do fight elections on our own, and that happens almost in every state that we contest. Post-poll alliances, obviously, we discuss, and we are, of course, in the NDA in the center. We are supporting the government in the center. We are also extending our support in Arunachal Pradesh. We are working together in the state of Meghalaya. And in the case of Manipur, of course, Manipur has, BJP has got full numbers. They have a majority. So therefore, the decision will be theirs. From the NPP side, we are very much open. If the invitation does come to join the government, then definitely we will consider joining the government. But as I said, that is a decision of the BJP. We have been very clear, as I said from day one, that that elections are different and government formations are different, and therefore based on that principle now we are here to look at the government formation, and we are definitely open to the suggestions, and if the BJP does invite us to be part of the government, we'll be happy to be part of the government in Manipur.
What will be the fate of BJP in Meghalaya if the BJP in Manipur does not want to work together with NPP?
Well, if that happens, as I said, each state is different, so we will examine that factor. But obviously, we have been always working in the region also together. We are part of the NEDA also, and there has always been a very strong and good relationship between the leaders of the BJP and the NPP. And I have maintained, as I said, the elections are a different story. We do fight elections on our own, but if the situation does arise that we are not part, they have, as I said, they have majority. We will examine the matter and we'll see how it goes in Meghalaya. I think it's too early to say about that.